Fascism, tyranny is imposed by the population, the masses, acquiescing to the tyranny, acquiescing to the fascists. And, you know, COVID should have taught us something very profound. And this really does describe the COVID era, but it describes the situation we're in now. There's two types of people that allow tyranny to prevail. One group just does what authority tells it without question. It just bows the head and looks to authority, experts to tell it what to think, and just does it. Then there's the second group, and that group, we saw this in COVID, they don't really want to do it. They can see that there's something else going on here, and you know, they're trying to impose this for a different reason than they're telling us. But they obey, they acquiesce for fear of not acquiescing, fear of the consequences of not acquiescing. And those two groups have been responsible for every tyranny in history. Because the tyrannical, they're never enough in number to do it themselves. They have to have the population acquiesce to them. And that leaves the third group. And that's the group, and we saw this during COVID, my God, did we, that looks at what they're being told to do and says, I can see why you're doing this. I can see what you're doing. I can see you're lying to us. And I ain't cooperating. I'm not going to acquiesce and cooperate with my own enslavement and the enslavement of my kids. And there we come back to what I said earlier. How much more powerful would it be if instead of giving your power of 70 million people, however it was, number it was, to an individual and say, Donald, save us, that if that 70 million people took the line I've just described, can see what you're doing, not cooperating. The most powerful word in the English language, when used appropriately, is no. And that's where we are. And that's what we're going to need to do to head off this tyranny, which is gathering pace by the hour. And we are not going to do it, ladies and gentlemen, of whatever color, creed, culture, or religion. We are not going to do it by fighting each other. We're going to do it by the realization that we have a common foe. And if we understand that and we stop cooperating with it, we'll see that the foe only has power when we give our power to it, not least in the form of acquiescence and not least in the form of divide and rule.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.